Hey, fuck! Ouchie! Dude, that ain't feel good. Hang behind the barrels. Here. See, right? Sorry. Did I not hit him? Is he not dead?
Wait, did you hit me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll call it.
Alright, yeah.
I'll call it though.
It was like right on your like elbow area. Yeah, kinda.
Where is it, man? Let me see if I can get it. Look, there's big.
Watch.
I'm moving in here.
Sorry. Close. Wait, what team are you? Ah! I don't know where he is. They're right over here. I gotta reload soon. He's down there, I think, right there.
Right behind you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I saw your knee was popping out.
Big ass guys all the way down.
Bro. I'm not peeking. Here, I'll let you go. Bro, I can't. Yeah. I'm not gonna camp there. I know how annoying it is to be camped, so here. He's just gonna keep on being there. Alright. I'm sorry, I scared the shit out of you. Yeah, they're just all the way at the end. Sorry. Wait.
Fair enough. I get it.
I didn't mean to shoot you.
Nobody's even seen it.
So I didn't mean to shoot you. Ah.